The question of the day is, what is the foundation series?
All right, today we're going to do a galaxy painting, this time a little bit bigger. I think this is 16 by 20, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks. All right, let's run through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, raw umber, burnt umber, raw sienna, Quinacridone Magenta, primary yellow, phthalo green, pearly red, ultramarine blue, and phthalo blue. Let's get the party started. So we kind of laid down this really vibrant red, orange, purple, blue, purple landscape. So we'll see how this develops into the night sky as far as the galaxy. And I have several different points of interest. So it's going to be more of a challenge than before. So we'll see how it goes. So we added some trails here. So these are kind of little celestial bodies forming. We'll kind of pack the stars around these little lines that are forming and let this dry. Obviously, I'm going to flicker some more white. These white wispy trails to go through the clouds. Now I'm going to cover this, and this will come out like really light pinks and blues, so we'll see how that looks after we add some more paint on top.
So the Foundation series is originally a set of 3 books by Asimov, one of the most famous sci-fi writers, and then he expanded it to 6 books. So Foundation, the basic premise is there's this mathematician, he invents this thing called psychohistory, and he's basically able to forecast the history to come, but only on a large scale, no minor impact, just a really large historical. And he forecasts that there's going to be 30,000 years of a dark ages when the galactic empire collapses. So he founds 2 more new foundations at the Foundation's edge. So there's 2 alternatives to the galactic empire, and these are going to be able to withstand the deterioration of the galactic empire and actually reestablish the galactic empire within 1,000 years instead of 30,000 years. So all these books are basically based around that single premise. It's a really great set of books if you ever get to read them, and I highly encourage it. Hope you guys enjoy that. Thanks for watching. Alright, we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look here. So we have this blue, and then you see the red background with pink and green and dark blue background, shadow. So overall I think it's a pretty good painting. What I try to do in the very end is make the splatter of the stars a lot more uneven. So in the gas fields I'm going to have a lot more star concentration, and in the darker areas I'm leaving the underlayer so that the stars look much farther out. So you get a real perspective of depth there. Since it is a much bigger painting, you kind of have multiple points of interest, so you don't want to just have one focal point, you want to have several. So I have the green to the blue to the red and the back in the corner, so it kind of keeps your eye moving around the screen, so that's kind of what you want. Overall I kind of like the colors. It's interesting, on the camera it actually looks better than it does to my eye, so not sure what that means. It's gonna look great on eBay, but we'll see. I think it looks pretty good. We'll see how it dries. The white's gonna be a lot more, not as intense, so that might be a little more calming. We'll see, and just need to sign it. But otherwise, hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.